Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashionable blog. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 25 New Year gift ideas for women 2025. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Necklace set. Number 2. Ring. Number 3. Watch. Number 4. Perfume. Number 5. Bracelet. Number 6. Coffee mug. Number 7. Lamp. Number 8. Headphone. Number 9. Sling bag. Number 10. Diary. Number 11. Hair dryer. Number 12. Wind chain. Number 13. Jewelry box. Number 14. Food hamper. Number 15. Mini plant. Number 16. Ceramic vase. Number 17. Fish jar. Number 18. Hoodie. Number 19. Backpack. Number 20. Slipper. Number 21. Scarf. Number 22. Lipstick. Number 23. Flower bouquet. Number 24. Jacket. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.